Happy Friday! Wow, you look so pretty. You're pretty today, my dear. Oh, I'm sorry. Again, let's uh here, my dear. Can you see my screen, my dear? How are you today, my dear?
Hi. Hi.
Why, my dear? Why are you tired, my dear?
Studying.
Mm. Study, my dear. Study?
Yeah.
Oh, I see. But what did you do before our class, my dear?
Mm,
Wow! Did you practice, my dear? Did you practice?
yeah.
Oh, okay, good. Very good, my dear. Very good.
Thank you.
Nice. But how's the weather today, my dear?
Corn. Corn.
Oh, oh no. Okay, so my dear, don't forget to wear jacket.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. So, my dear, is it raining outside?
No. No.
Oh, but
No.
only you're only it's only cold.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So, my dear, did you eat your dinner?
Yeah.
Wow, good, my dear. What did you eat?
Uh, meat. Meat.
Meat. Wow. Is it pork, my dear, or
Yeah. Pork.
yes, is it pork or
Pork.
Mm,
Pork.
nice. Can you say it again, my dear? Pork.
Pork.
Nice. Very good. Okay. Oh, my dear, how about some rice?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Some rice. And by the way, my dear, by the way, do you drink coffee?
No.
Oh,
No.
no. How about milk?
No.
Oh, mm.
Water. Water.
Oh, wow, that's good. How about some juice?
No.
Wow. That's healthy, my dear. That's healthy to your body.
Yeah.
Nice. Good job. Okay. So, my dear, are you now? Are you now ready?
Ready?
Okay, ready.
Okay.
Okay, so let's practice again the sound. Oh,
Oh,
very good. Ah,
ah,
nice, cute. Okay, can you first read?
love,
Very good. Next.
lolly,
Nice. Next.
lie, lie,
Good. Could you please say it again, my dear? Life.
life,
Good. Next.
apple,
Good. Apple.
apple,
Nice. Next, my dear.
friends,
Nice. Next.
young,
Good. Next, my dear.
child, child,
Nice. Child. Next.
grandma,
Good. Next.
mother,
Nice. Next.
cup, cup,
Good. Next one.
monkey,
Nice. Good. Next, my dear.
uh, log, log,
Again, my dear.
log, log, log,
Nice. Large.
lost,
Good. Wow. Okay, so my dear, uh, I'm going to translate this. Okay.
eh, uh,
Okay, my dear.
now understand,
Oh, okay. So, my dear, you need to choose the words. You need to choose words. Here, my dear, from A to L.
yeah,
Nice.
okay,
Okay. Okay. Okay.
okay.
So, can you choose, my dear?
Uh, oh, love,
Wow. Very
lie,
good.
lie,
Life, my dear,
yeah,
with sound ah,
uh, uh,
ah. Love. Good. Very good, my
love,
dear. Love. Love
love,
is correct.
yeah,
Yes, correct, my dear. What's next?
lonely,
Hmm. No. Ah, my dear. Ah.
oh,
Ah, yes.
young,
Good. That's correct, my dear. Young.
uh,
Correct. Okay. Next.
mother,
Good. Wow. Very good.
love,
Next.
love, love,
Life.
love,
Life, my dear.
love,
Life.
no,
What's
yeah,
life? This one, my dear.
no, no, L,
Ah, large. Okay.
yeah,
Large. Ah,
love,
ah,
oh, oh,
ah.
love,
Large. Ooh.
love,
No, my
no,
dear. No. Okay. How about,
cup,
yes, cup?
cup, cup, uh,
Good. Okay.
grandma, grandma, grandma,
Grandma. Oh, no, my dear. It's ah.
uh,
Ah.
uh,
Ah.
uh,
Good.
Chai, Mon, Monkey,
Nice.
uh,
Monkey.
Monkey,
Nice. Good.
Monkey. Yeah.
Very good. Yay. Okay, next, my dear. Ah.
Uh,
Ah. Nice.
uh,
Ah. Good. Okay, so can you choose, my dear?
Mom,
Hmm.
shoot,
Good. Shot, my dear.
shot,
Nice.
farm,
Good.
come,
Nice.
came,
Calm.
cat,
Could you please say it, my dear? Calm.
cam,
Very good.
cam,
Calm.
cam,
Nice. Next, my dear.
cat,
Good. Catch.
cat,
Oh, good. Nice. Next, my dear.
star,
Good.
glow, cloud,
Nice. Cloud.
lace, cloud,
Nice. Good.
sun,
Nice.
lady,
Wow, good.
at,
Airplane.
airplane,
Nice. Good.
airplanes,
Very good.
buck,
Air.
buck,
Nice. Park. Park.
buck,
Nice. Good, my dear. So can you choose? Hello, my
dog,
dear. Do you have a slow internet connection, my dear? If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then you really wanna show. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Hello, my dear. Hello, my dear.
hello, I'm sorry,
It's
I'm
okay, my
sorry,
dear. It's okay.
yeah,
It's okay, my dear.
thank you,
Okay. You're welcome, my dear. Okay, so my dear.
me,
Hi, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, my dear.
yeah,
Sorry. Okay.
see, see,
Okay. So my dear, can you choose again? Can you choose again? words with the same sound. Ah,
Yeah. Okay.
okay, okay. So,
Okay. Um. Oh. Star.
very
Star.
good. Good job. Okay, what's next, my dear?
S- a cloud. Cloud. Cloud.
My
I
dear.
know.
Ah, ah.
Ah. Farm. Ma. s- Ma. Mom.
Good. Nice.
Ma.
Very good, my dear. Good. Mom.
Farm.
Okay.
Farm.
Very good. Nice. Next,
Lay. Lay. Air. Airplane. Airplane.
my dear, no.
No.
Okay.
Park. Park.
Very good. Nice.
Glam. Glam.
What letter, my dear?
E. E.
Good. Could you please say it, my dear? Calm.
Cam.
Nice.
Cam. Yeah.
Calm.
Cam.
Very good. Yay. Good job, my dear. So now, let's go to the next lesson.
Okay.
Nice. Yay. Wow. Another sound. Ah.
Oh,
Nice. Kid. Can you read, my dear?
sorry. I'm sorry.
It's okay, my dear.
Okay.
To produce.
To produce this sound, stretch your lip, lower your chin slightly, and put the back of your uh tongue
Tongue.
tongue
Tongue.
tongue tongue
Yeah.
tongue tongue down a little.
Very good, my dear. Could you please say it again? Produce.
Produce.
Nice. Produce.
Produce.
Nice. Good, my dear. Could you please say jaw?
Sure.
Nice. Jaw.
Sure.
Nice. Okay. So, my dear, I'm going to translate it. Eh, eh. Nice. Very good. Okay, so let's let's start with
The red.
good. Dress.
The red.
Nice. Dress.
Dress.
Oh, good. Good job. Can you read the example?
Just borrow a new red dress.
Good. Wow, I like your dress, my dear. Okay. Could you please say boss?
Bob.
Nice. Boss.
Bob.
Good. Next, my dear.
She wore a beautiful dress at her wedding.
Nice. Could you please say it again? Wedding.
Wedding.
Nice. Wedding.
Wedding.
Nice. Good job. So can you read the meaning of dress?
A type of woman's clothing that is long and covers the upper and lower body.
Very good, my dear. Can you say it again? Type.
That
Good. Could you please say women's?
women, women,
Good. Nice. Women.
women,
Good. Nice. Okay. Next one, my dear.
uh, needle, medal,
Good. Medal.
method,
Good.
met,
Medal.
medal,
Good. Medal.
medal,
Good. My dear. Dal.
dal,
Nice. Medal.
medal.
Okay. Can you read, my dear?
Their goal is to win a good medal.
Okay, good. Could you please say it again, my dear? Goal.
Gold,
Nice. Goal.
gold,
Good. Next. Gold.
gold.
Nice. Very good, my dear. Okay, next.
The US swimming team won three, uh, three, one, 3-1,
31.
30, 31
Good. Nice.
medal in total. Total,
Nice. Good. Total.
total
Nice. Medals.
medal
Nice. 31.
31.
Oh, very good, my dear. Next.
He scored the most number of gold medal in the 2008 games.
Nice. Okay. Can you say it again, my dear? Medals.
Medal,
Nice. Medals.
medal.
Mm, good. He.
He,
Nice. Good job, my dear. So can you read the meaning of medal?
a medal is given as an award for success.
Good. Wow. Good job. Okay, so another word, my dear.
Bet,
Oh, good. Nice. So can you read?
she's lying on her bed, talking to a friend.
Wow, that was smooth, my dear. Good. Next.
He's still in the bed.
Good. In.
In bed.
Nice. Good. Good job. Okay, so the meaning of bed.
Furniture that the people sleep on.
Nice. Can you say it again, my dear? People.
People,
Nice. Good. Furniture.
furniture,
Nice. Good. Very good, my dear. So, next word, my dear.
pen,
Wow, good. Pen.
pen,
Oh, nice. Okay, so can you read the meaning of pen?
can I borrow your pens, please?
Nice. Can you say it again? Borrow.
Borrow,
Good.
uh,
Please.
please.
Nice. That was good, my dear. Nice. Okay. Next one.
I always carry a pen with me.
Nice. Can you say it again? Always.
Always,
Nice. Always.
always,
Can you say it, my dear?
on, always,
Nice. Ways.
ways,
Ah, good. That's good, my dear. Always.
always.
Very good.
Yeah.
With.
Wait,
Good. Carry.
carry,
Nice. Very good, my dear. Next.
dip,
Nice. Dad.
that.
Good. Wow, nice. Okay, can you read?
There are many that live on the ground,
Nice. Ground.
ground,
Nice. Leaves.
leaves,
Wow.
leaf,
Leaves.
leaf.
Nice. Good. Next one, my dear.
The police found a dead body.
Ooh, very good. Okay. Can you read the meaning of that?
Not living, not living or live,
Nice. Alive.
alive.
Good. So, my dear, you did great tonight. You did great tonight.
Thank you very much.
Wow. You were
Very
able, you were able to read different, different words.
Thank you.
Yan. And my dear, uh, don't enjoy your weekend.
Thank you.
And my dear, take take care always.
Thank you. Thank
Oh,
you.
take care always, and thank you for your active participation. See you again on Monday. Bye
Thank you.
bye. Thank
Bye
you,
bye.
my dear.
Good night.
Bye. Good night. Tạm biệt.
Bye bye.
Chúc ngủ ngon. Bye bye.
Thank you. Chúc ngủ ngon.
Yes. Thank you, my dear. Bye bye.
Bye.